ever thought that durability of packaging is hundreds of years when the products in it might be in use just a few minutes? Let's take polystyrene. Every single unit that was ever produced out of it still remains somewhere in the landfills. And even worse, it pollutes soil, oceans, and even our bodies. My name is Julia. I'm CEO and co-founder of S.Lab. In S.Lab, we produce sustainable packaging using only two plant-based components, which are hemp and mushroom roots. We sell natural replacement of polystyrene to the producers of beauty and self-care products for €1 per piece on average. We already have paying recurring customers that order packaging every month and bring us up to €3,000 of MRR. And also, we are working towards pilot projects with such big cosmetics brands as L'Oreal and Medic 8. Our beachhead market is producers of natural cosmetics and self-care in 6 countries. We started with Ukraine and Poland, where we gained our first early adopters and first customers. And now we are expanding to 4 more countries in Europe that are the biggest producers of natural cosmetics and self-care products. S.Lab packaging is 100% biodegradable. After the usage, it can be thrown with the rest of the garbage or with food compost, and it will fully disappear in just 30 days. Also, our packaging has the same thermal insulating and waterproof features as polystyrene. And S.Lab packaging is at the same price point as polystyrene. But of course, our packaging is much better because it will never end up on the landfills. Once mushroom root is mixed with hemp, it starts to bind or to glue everything together, and we get a very strong and reliable material. Currently, we are building an automated production line that will serve 2 goals. 1, to produce packaging, and 2, to further scale to the mini factories that will be placed in the 40-foot containers. Our material has application in other industries, like lodgements for electronics and devices, packaging for food, shoes, decor, toys, and even thermal insulating boxes for food and pharmaceutics. And our technology allows us to have other types of the material in the pipeline, like mushroom board, cardboard, leather, foam. So this means that we can replace not only polystyrene, but other harmful materials. So soon, every product that you buy will be packed into the packaging out of hemp and mushroom roots. Additionally to our existing customers, we spoke with 20 more producers in Ukraine and 10 more producers in European Union of self-care and beauty products. And our key assumption was that price is the most critical factor. But it actually appeared that customers are looking for a combination of properties, sustainability, and price in the materials. And our key takeaway is that we should focus not on the whole beauty market, but on a segment where natural components are used. We sell our packaging for €1 per piece on average with 52% of margin. And in year 5, with 50% of beachhead market, we will get to €6 million of profit. And we know how to do that. Production and disposition of polystyrene leads to the significant CO2 emissions and water usage. It is 12 million tons of CO2 and 16 million tons of water every year. And also, 30% of worldwide landfills are covered with polystyrene. Production of S.Lab packaging will lead to 80% less CO2 emissions and will lead to 80% less water usage. And as for the landfills, it will just never get there. And even better, if our packaging is thrown into the soil, it will fertilize it. Our core team consists of 4 people. Eugene and me are 2 co-founders, and I have experience in both biotechnology and team management. And Eugene is an expert in manufacturing and knows everything about hardware technologies. Then we hired Vasil, who has worked in Leica and Autodesk in the past, and he has done industrialization of the manufacturing processes. And Dasha, who has converted a famous fashion brand to the sustainable packaging in just 6 months. We aim to replace polystyrene and earn €6 million in year 5. And the main thing is that we are united with a mission to produce and distribute a truly good packaging to every location of the world. Thank you very much. I'm Julia from S.Lab.